Hello friends, welcome to Windows tips and tricks tutorial. My name is Abhishek and in today's video we will learn how to disable the control panel. Okay, so you have seen that sometimes it makes a lot of sense for a system administrator of colleges and any companies to completely disable the control panel for security reason and to prevent the user from making any change to the setting of his computer. So how they can do it and how we can do it, let us see. So first of all, open group policy editor by simply typing gp edit.msc. Okay, and now in user configuration, open administrative template and click on control panel. Alright, and there is an option prohibited access to the control panel. Okay, double click on it and click on enable. Now click on apply and then OK. And now if you will try to open control panel, yeah, there is a restriction. It says that this operation has been cancelled due to restriction effect in this computer. So in this way we can disable and enable it, and if you want to once enable control panel, then you have to follow the same path. Alright, so thank you friends, and till next video, bye bye.